Hello, ultimate OC on the data. We got no setup beautiful. How you enjoy the beautiful? Like, comment, support. Let's begin. Are you on my channel? Hit the bell icon. Another again. Ultimate beautiful. Let's begin. Shout out to this channel. KnivesFAST. Shout out to you, KnivesFAST. You're amazing. You're awesome here, man. Put a KnivesFAST channel link down the description below. And check his channel. Do your awesome Edc Knives review. Awesome knife review. Awesome AC review. And awesome real dropping hit a man. He's right down the description. Well, hope you enjoyed this sound beautiful. KnivesFAST. Hit a man is awesome. He's right down the description. Well, hope you enjoyed this sound beautiful. Like, comment, support. Share your beautiful friend. Hope to do more solid build it soon again. All you matter, stay awesome, my friend. Stay well, remain, they say, have say, stay awesome. Bonus episode. So you did. Let me talk about too. So you did me got here. I'm gonna hold about May knife in here. Mostly curious traditional knife. This one is the master pry bar. I won it on the long time ago, a few years ago. My friend got me this kit is from the UK. This one is Kate copper rod with a lock bath. Here's the thing right here. Mini copper rod. Hammer bone. Right here. This one is a boy. Liquid power. 14211B set through anti-yellow bone. Liquid power. Right here. Then my first GEC knife. Type of coffee. This was on North. Sorry about it. I'm trying to do all one hand. Then with two play. Northfield UN at LD. Korean. 1095 deal. GC. 3 pistol Jake bomb. 488217. This one is a mini middle dot man. And when it mini dolphins, all one. Tested 2 pit. Copper rod. Mini tracer. Gun dot. Shutter. Dotman. Tracer. No tracer and no tracer. Oh, right here. My friend got me at the get. I want to try to do it. I made a switch joint for my Northfield. I had no switch for my Bali yet. I love to have a switch for my Bali. We had none of my collection. That was for my friend got me that for my Northfield GC night in, the big one. We had no switch for this one. A lot had a switch for this one too. And I quit Kate night. This Kate night, this Kate night, that Kate. And my today carry. It's Kate. I was a lot of set out the and I quit button. No, my first button in my collection is this one here. My friend got me this button at the gift. I forgot. I think he's on Instagram or on YouTube. Don't know. Probably the way often pin. Way off the pin. I quit pin now. We got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 pins in my collection. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I had no 15 yet. I quit Kate night. I'm trying to build my whole thing with a Kate night. So then, what's that? Wait, that'd be the ShotOut BSO. Told you that'd be my bonnet episode. Aside of ShotOut. And shout out to you, KnivesFAST. Hope your channel grow. His channel ain't down the Griffin. Well, hope you enjoyed this ShotOut episode, KnivesFAST. He's the main artist. His channel ain't down the Griffin. Well, hope you enjoyed this ShotOut episode. Like, comment, support, share to be your friend. I'll do my ShotOut episode soon again. Only matter day off, my friend. Day from me, main. Stay safe, have fun day, and keep question night and day off. And I hope to get my another 15 night soon. And see ya.